Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a homemade hair growth oil which is made of onion. This is the onion hair cream for fast hair growth. If you are suffering from hair loss and scanty hair, this hair cream would help to prevent hair loss and also make your hair shinier, longer and thicker. This hair cream is as good as the hair oil. The only advantage of this is that it is in cream form, so smooth and so fluffy because of its creamish form, and this can be carried in your purse. You can take it as a travel pack, and you can convince your kids or your friends to use onion on their hair if they are losing hair. So that is the advantage of using cream based oils. So this would be easy to make, and you would really love to give this as a gift also. So if you want to know, please continue watching. For this hair cream, I am going to use onion oil which I have already made. Onions are loaded with immense amount of sulfur, vitamins and folate which will help to keep your hair healthy. They improve blood circulation to your scalp and fights inflammation and prevent dandruff or any scalp infections which cause hair loss. To make onion oil, you can just grind one onion and boil it in coconut oil. Strain that oil and use it to make this hair cream. Otherwise, if you have onion oil already, you can use that. Otherwise, you can also refer to my earlier videos which I have shown. Next is the shea butter. I am going to use 2 tablespoons of shea butter. This contains anti-inflammatory qualities and fatty acids which supply essential nutrients to the scalp and also improve the health of the scalp. They will in turn strengthen your hair follicles, prevent hair loss and improve the hair growth. So here I am using 2 tablespoons. This I purchased online. You can also look for it online and it is easily available. Next I am using aloe vera gel. This is store-bought aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is very good for your hair. It helps to treat hair loss. It soothes the scalp and condition your hair. It can reduce dandruff and unlock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. And this also provides a moisturizing or conditioning effect to your hair. This is the aloe vera gel I am using. This is also purchased online. Next would be vitamin E oil. This is also very important to your hair growth. This will provide moisturizing and antioxidant properties. It will help to restore healthy scalp and prevent hair fall. And this also makes your hair look healthy, shiny and free of dandruff. If you don't have this vitamin E which I have, you can also purchase it from the chemist shops as a capsule form and use 2 or 3 capsules to make this hair cream. The method to make this hair cream is very simple. Take a clean glass bowl or a steel bowl, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of shea butter. To this add 2 to 3 teaspoons of onion oil. This is the oil which I already have. If you are making it instantly, you can add that. After adding, you need to melt these two. The shea butter should get mixed well with the onion oil. For melting, use a hot water bowl. Otherwise, you can use a double boiler method. It takes at least 2 to 3 minutes to melt the butter. After melting it, you need to cool it thoroughly. For that, I had placed this in the refrigerator, so the shea butter has solidified again. Now you need to take a whisker and whisk it well enough so that it breaks and it starts melting again. This is the way to make the cream. Because both the oils will be in a homogeneous texture. So for this I am adding few drops of vitamin E oil that will keep the hair cream in good condition for at least 2 months. Next add 2 to 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and mix everything thoroughly. As you mix vigorously, the oils and the aloe vera gel will turn into a creamy consistency. This may look a little bit watery or thin, but as it cools down, this will become more fluffier, creamier and thicker. So this cream is ready. Now this need to be stored in a airtight container. You can take a clean jar and transfer everything into this, and you can keep this at room temperature for at least 2 months. To use this, you need to just take a spoon of it and rub it in your palm. As you rub it, it starts melting and you can apply on your hair. As you can see, the cream is little bit watery or runny, but once it cools, it becomes thick and fluffy because of the shea butter. Using shea butter helps to keep your hair more moisturized If your hair is damaged because of using all chemical products or using color, this shea butter hair cream would help to protect your hair from such damage. So this cream is suitable for all hair types. You can apply before for 2 to 3 hours and wash off your hair. Otherwise you can leave it overnight and wash your hair or shampoo your hair next morning. So try this hair cream and see how it works for you. I'm sure this will be very useful to you and to your family. And if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please share it, and thanks for watching.